So this is what we're waking up to Laurel Point Inn. There's that seagull. That darn seagull was right on our sun deck. He tried to get into our room yesterday. Sneaky. And then the dog went frickin' berserk on him. So Wendy just went out for a dog walk. She took the dog out, Kahu, for a stroll. See, that seagull's waiting for something. What do I have for that seagull? Let's see. I'll see if I have a snack for him. Let's get into the room. Oh, I have this. I have this biscuit. Watch this. Here you go. See if he sees that. How good are their eyes? There's people walking. Got these biscuits I gave the dog, smell really good. Okay, Miss T should be coming around the corner. I'm going to leave this on the ledge for the Seagull. We're in the Victoria Inner Harbor right now. And it is absolutely beautiful out here. This is a day after my B-Day, so this is how Wendy treated me. She took me, oh, there's a seal out there swimming around too. You know, it's funny, yesterday we were out, we went to Fisherman's Wharf and walking back. I'm looking at the gardens, and I saw some people standing there looking at the gardens, and I said, nice Senecio, and they said, oh, there's an otter in there. So we stood there for a little bit, and the otter came running out, and the dog went crazy. The dog is tiny compared to the otter. But it is absolutely beautiful out there. I don't know if you can see that seal. And it's a busy harbor. There's float planes and boats, tugboats, ferry boats. The Coho ferry comes in and out of here. Takes people to Port Angeles. You can see that harbor seal over there. It's sort of just a little bit close to the lighthouse. Just to the west of it. I don't know, he went under. Waiting for Wendy to come rolling around here. Don't see her though. I don't think that's Wendy. No, that's not Wendy. Lots of tourists here. Even though it's late March, it is touristy season. It's quiet in the harbor. Here comes a boat leaving. Nice gardens. I told them they need to put some palm trees in here though, man. I was talking to the landscaper. One of the gals, a couple of gals do the maintenance here. She said she just moved here from the interior and she didn't really know the names of the plants, so I was rattling off the names of the plants. And I said, look at that, what is that bird doing? I said, they definitely need palm trees in here. Here, I'm gonna throw a piece of this down for the bird. See if he gets it. He got good eyes. Well, he's gonna go down. It is really nice out here. And the weather, the weather has been absolutely amazing. You can see me behind me. See that boat right there. For Wendy to come around. I don't know where she is. Beautiful boat. Look at that one. Stardust. Oh, there's the Seagull. He's going to go get the cookie I threw down, the dog biscuit. He's looking for it. He got it. And they just swallow it whole too. Unreal. That's a beauty. I was hoping Wendy would walk around here. I don't know where she is. Throw another biscuit for him. Lucky enough, you'd see some whales coming here. I saw some dolphins the other day when I was driving home from work. Just not too far from our place. There's like a little pod of dolphins. There must have been some food for them. Smart seagull. Okay, I think Wendy went the other way. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more videos from Victoria Inner Harbor at Laurel Point. If you're here, check out Fisherman's Wharf sometime. It's absolutely amazing. There goes the Seagull. People walking their dogs. There's not a cloud in the sky. Just beauty. Here's the Seagull right there. Now he's up on that ledge. All right. Thanks for watching. See you all next time. Cheers.